Tapos to guys, yan. CFP
WJ.
WJ? Ano yan?
Booking preference.
Okay, next. Ay, si Karen.
Hindi, next na lang natin.
Ay, yung ano, si...
Oh, di tama.
Magkakahiwalay tayo.
Ayan o, i-click mo na lang lahat. Hindi, tama na. Magkakatabi na tayo FDE.
I understand, pero kailangan i-scan yung passport.
Kailangan ba yan?
Yeah.
So, where is she?
Hiwalay na lang siya ng upuan. Sige, okay na yan? No?
Teka lang, tawagan ko lang siya.
Siguro naman magkakatabi tayo.
Ganyan mo na lang.
Ito? Oh, I told you.
Nasaan ka na? Sana meron na daw ka.
Malapit na.
Hintay na lang
So, wala pa si Karen, yung isa namin kasama sa bahay. So, yun. We'll just wait for her to arrive. She's now in Tanamera. Masaya pala mag-vlog. Kasi, ano mo yun, yung tipong you can share more stories, you can express yourself, you can say whatever you want, and you can share good things in life, you can share whatever it is, and you are open to the world. Okay guys, hintayin natin si Karen. Mamaya na ulit. Matutuloy na kami. So, here we go. Ayan na. Kasi kanina, wala pa si Karen. So, hindi namin ma-enter yung mga information.
Hello.
Ayan si Karen. Nag-concert siya kagabi.
Nagbibinata. FPP. Yeah.
Booking reference. Select all.
Kuya, magkasadya pa lang yun na yung nakastick na yung ano.
Oo nga.
Nakastick na siya.
Yung ano. Ay, buti malapit tayo.
Automatic.
Lobo.
Kinabahan siya kasi hindi daw ano, baka iba daw yung sabi ko kasi may chip naman siya sa loob, so automatic yung centralized yung system.
Wow.
Okay. Boarding time.
Boarding time.
Alright.
Diretso na tayo na po. Hindi na kailangan
Hindi na. Okay.
Sure ba? Ayan.
Complete boarding. Anong gagawin? Pipindutin natin?
Okay na yan. Amin na yung amin.
Okay.
Ay.
Butas.
Okay, thank you. Ayan, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Kakain muna kami. Gutom na.
I'm so hungry na.
Actually, natok din ako kanina.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Where will we eat?
Papasok ba muna tayo? Doon tayo sa loob kakain?
Oh, sige. Ay,
Pwede.
anong plan
Pwede din
niyo?
namang lumabas.
KFC. Magdi-drinks. Ay, gusto ko ng rice. I want rice.
May
Okay.
rice dyan. Rice in a bowl.
Parang hindi ko type yung sige. Gusto nila mag KFC pero ay sige, kung ano na lang matipuhan ko sa KFC. KFC, I don't like KFC. Chicken na lang ako. One chicken. They have comfort food here.
I don't have. Wala akong cash. 200 lang ang cash.
Ay, wala pang withdraw pa pala ako. Wala pa lang cash.
Ako din. Wala din akong cash.
Pwede bang pa-cash-cash na lang?
Diba may bayad ko? Diba anong
Ay,
bayad
oo,
doon?
pwede dyan. Pwede nga pala dyan. Magpapasa muna ako.
Later na. Magkaano na lang ako. Mag-withdraw pa lolo. Saan tayo mag-withdraw?
Nakapag-withdraw na nga ako.
Hindi pa.
Wala lang akong extra cash.
Saan ka nag-withdraw?
Sa Paya Lebar, noong kagabi.
Inside, there is an ATM.
Meron?
Yeah.
DBS?
Yeah, I know.
Oo, meron.
Yes.
Sure? Kuya. Ano? Akala mo ikaw ang magdadala diyan? Ha? Meron din yung saya.
Oo.
Ba't may ganito? Sasabihin ko pa naman ang sarap ng ganito. Diga? Oo. Ba't may ganito?
At yung pagsamahin na yan. Free siguro.
Good morning, Phuket. Now I just arrived, and we just arrived. Actually, it's already 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Yes. Nalobat ako kanina, so hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So I'm very, very, very happy because the place is so nice. Yes, as you will see. As you will see. This is my room. It's so nice. Yes. This is the comfort room. Look at my bed. It's so big. It's so nice. And then there's a sofa bed here. Then I have coffee for tomorrow. The television, and I have a swimming pool view. As you will see there, I have a swimming pool view. Then there's also a balcony here. There's a balcony here. So you will see the place here. So quiet. So there's a refrigerator, there's a security vault. There's a refrigerator with two waters, two bottled waters. Okay. Yes, the air conditioning is quite different because yeah, there's no remote control for the air conditioner. So far I'm so nice. That's all. I need to sleep. Guys, I need to sleep na. So it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Our tour tomorrow will start I think 7:30 to 8:30 and it will end 5 p.m. Tired but I'm happy. I'm very much happy with my room. On my succeeding vlogs, I will have a standard on how I can check a room because I love traveling. Even when I was in the Philippines, I travel most of the time. When I was working, I love traveling. I go to Mindanao, Luzon, Visayas. Actually, before I went to Singapore, I traveled Visayas and Mindanao. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and then after that, I feel sleepy. Okay, good night, guys. See you tomorrow.